Hi everyone, welcome to mycutetoons. Grab your favorite markers, come along with me and let's draw our favorite characters together. Today we're going to draw Oggy from Oggy Oggy. So grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to start off with Oggy's head. Now we're going to draw sort of a pear shape, but more squashed. So you're going to start here and you're going to go from the top and you're going to go wider. And you're going to come down. Now on this side I'm going to do the same. So I'm going to start there. And I'm going to go wider, and I'm going to come down, and now I'm going to connect these lines with a light downwards curve, like this. Now inside, we're going to draw Oggy's nose, and again we're going to draw sort of a sausage shape, but you're going to draw a big nose right in the middle of his head. And then on top of the nose, we're going to draw two eyes, and we're going to fill them in. Now right on top of the head, we're going to draw two ears. And we're just going to draw two ears standing up, one there and the other one, and we can fill them in as well. Now right on the sides, we're going to draw whiskers. And it's going to be oval shapes. We're going to draw a whisker there, and another one there. And let's do this on the other side as well. Roughly about the same height and the same size. Now let's fill the whiskers in. Now right next to the nose, we're going to draw Oggy's smile. Now I'm going to draw from the nose just a skew line going up, and then I'm going to draw a cheek. Now from the cheek you're going to go down and you're going to connect it to the nose, and then inside of that we'll draw Oggy's tongue. And let's fill the mouth in as well. Good. Now right down below, we're going to draw two arms. There's one. And we'll do the same on this side as well. And now we're going to connect the two arms with a downwards curve. And this will be Oggy's body. There we go. And then the belly. Good. Now right below, we're going to draw feet. So I'm just going to draw a little foot here, pointing in this direction, and then a foot pointing in the other direction. There we go. Good, and there's Oggy. Now you can look at my picture and try to match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.